thinks about this question in their mind: how to make money online. Bet that you're one of them too if you came here to know how to earn money online for free. What everyone is looking for: ways to earn online without becoming a part of MLM Ponzi schemes or doing online surveys. This is where the internet is helping out millions of people by providing many opportunities to grow the passive income stream that can legitimately earn you money and can be your one-stop career in the long run. This article will explore different ways to earn money online in 2023. If you are looking to make money online, then you should consider starting a blog or website. There are plenty of ways to monetize a blog, such as selling advertising space, affiliate marketing, or even charging for services. The best thing about blogging is that there are endless opportunities to earn money from it. There are many different ways to monetize a blog, and each one has its own pros and cons. If you enjoy working with people, virtual assisting is a great way to earn money online that allows you to set your hours, create your schedule, and has a lot of flexibility in your day-to-day life. Companies hire virtual assistants to do everything from data entry to customer service, and if you can find one that matches your skills, it can be a great side hustle to make some extra money, primarily if you work from home. Virtual assistants help business owners free up time to focus on other aspects of running their company. Virtual aides can assist with different tasks, including social media, bookkeeping, marketing, and more. If you want to work as a virtual assistant online, you'll need strong communication skills, excellent organizational skills, and the ability to manage your time effectively. If you have a specific skill set and enjoy teaching others, you might want to consider becoming an online tutor. Companies like Tutor allow you to earn money online by tutoring others on nearly any topic you can believe of, from algebra to yoga. You can make a name for yourself by having a great profile on a well-known site, but you can also build your network and brand. You'll earn money in online tutoring by directing students to your website or a website run by the company for which you work. Some companies provide both options. Many online tutoring jobs are contract positions, so you can work from home and build your schedule with a more contract-based online tutoring job. If you want to be innovative, you can make cash on hand online by creating your online course. You can create an online system using a platform like Teachable or do it yourself using a website and a series of videos. You can specialize in as numerous places as likely and earn cash with an online course by charging a one-time fee or offering a subscription service. To earn money online with an online system, you must first devise a good idea. You should be able to create an appealing sales page and deliver on the promise you make to your customers on the sales page. You must also be able to support your customers and provide consistent content that they return to. If you have a niche skill or expertise, you can make money online by documenting an ebook and selling it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. You can also sell your ebook on your website or blog, but first, consider whether you like to move with a standard publisher and get your book in the show of as many people as possible. This is a fantastic way to earn money online because you can do it anywhere with a laptop and an internet link. You can report your ebook and publish it from anywhere. By posting a book, you can accomplish your stress regarding shipping, warehousing, or other logistics. Love photographing and editing photos? This side income stream is for you. Consider selling stock photographs and film to make passive money if you are an ardent photographer or videographer. You'll be able to follow your interest while still earning money. Many businesses and entrepreneurs utilize stock material in their marketing efforts, advertisements, and websites. Companies are continuously looking for new ideas and distinctive viewpoints to differentiate their business, in addition to the usual stock photo structure. You may create a photography website and sell your images on it. Sign up for online marketplaces like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Dissolve and list your digital downloads as well. You'll get a good start on creating your own brand while also pushing it to potential purchasers this way. If you want to make money with ads and affiliate marketing, you should first determine which networks are the best fit for you. Ads and affiliate marketing on sites like Amazon, Etsy, and others can help you make money. You can earn cash with advertisements and affiliate marketing in various ways. One strategy is to write product or service reviews and then include affiliate links at the end of your post. You can also create an online course and include affiliate links in the course materials. Look into digital marketing if you're examining a more refined way to earn money with the help of the internet. While it may appear intimidating initially, it is relatively simple, and many businesses are turning to digital marketing to increase their online presence. To earn money online via digital marketing, you should first learn about the various marketing types. Search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing are all examples of marketing strategies. Someone prefers temp mail to provide these digital marketing services. You can then begin researching and applying for jobs in those fields. If you are looking for work-from-home jobs, check out Flex Jobs. It has thousands of positions available right now. And there are plenty of companies who will pay you per hour to search through these job listings and apply. The company makes it easy to find remote jobs, freelance jobs, hourly jobs, seasonal jobs, and jobs at coffee shops. You simply sign up for free and then complete an application. After that, employers review your profile, and if they think you are qualified, they contact you. You can start an affiliate marketing business with just $5. This means you can earn up to $1,000 per month by promoting other people's products. All you need is a website, some promotional materials, and a few good links. One of the finest ways to earn money online is through affiliate marketing. It is ideal to begin this incredible trip if you have a small sum of money to put toward a domain name and hosting. Do you know you can also start this journey without investing money? Yes, with a YouTube channel or an account on any social media platform you may start this journey. If you get a good number of visits, that's so fantastic. Making money online in 2023 is not as tough as before. It can give you the benefit of working from home or anywhere and having complete control over your schedule. You can choose your work and earn as much as you want. The best way to make money online is to find a skill you enjoy and then find a way to make money with that skill. You can also diversify your income by doing different types of work. If you're wondering how to make cash online, you've reached the proper place. There are numerous ways to make a living online, and we hope this article has given you some ideas. Subscribe to your channel for more interesting contents.